Let me also commit that as we do this, ensuring that every policeman and woman, as they discharge the noble duty of protecting the lives of Kenyans and their property, they are adequately covered by insurance, adequately supported, as I said last week, with proper housing program, a proper insurance program, to ensure that they can protect our country. Because any meaningful development is anchored on peace, security, and stability. And that we must work together to make sure that it becomes part of our architecture. Citizens in many parts of Kenya, because we have consistently worked with security agencies to safeguard their lives and property, have surrendered what would otherwise be dangerous weapons in their hands. That said, we cannot afford complacency. The East African region remains awash with illegal small arms and light weapons, many of which can easily cross our borders and infiltrate our communities. To achieve lasting peace, we must continue working tirelessly to remove all illegal weapons from circulation, both within Kenya and across all our region. I therefore call upon all citizens who may possess illegal firearms to take advantage of our current amnesty and surrender these weapons to the authorities. And I want to ask every citizen not to wait. An illegal firearm makes you less safe. It compromises your safety rather than securing it. And regardless of your intentions, possession of illegal firearms is unlawful, and those found in possession will, of course, face the full force of the law. As has been said by the security minister here, equally protect citizens from rogue police officers and make sure that we hold them to account so that we can have a nation that is based on the rule of law, where everybody is serving